Let's take a look at this video to review the difference between mass and weight. Click on the arrow to move from one slide to the next. Remember, mass is the amount of matter in an object, and mass does not depend on the volume or how much space an object takes up, or any type of force acting on it. Mass will always be the same for an object. Weight is the force that gravity exerts on an object. We measure mass in a unit called kilograms. Weight is measured in a unit called newtons. Remember that the weight of an object depends on its mass and also depends on the force of gravity pulling on that object. So weight is the mass of an object and the force of gravity pulling on it. Gravity is a force. Gravity pulls on objects. Gravity is what allows the Earth and other planets to be attracted to the sun and keep our planets in orbit around the sun. It also allows the moon to orbit the Earth. Each planet has a different gravity. Mass and weight are proportional. So a lot of times we hear that the astronaut weighs 70 kilograms. But mass and weight are not the same thing. Remember, mass is the amount of matter in an object. It does not depend on our location. Weight is a force. It's caused by the pull of gravity. So the weight would be different on different planets. So an astronaut's mass will not change regardless of what planet that astronaut might be on. The weight of the astronaut will change because the gravity of each planet is going to be different, because the masses of the planet are different and the force of gravity is different. So mass is constant. It doesn't change. Mass stays the same regardless of where we're at. Our weight will change depending on our location, because weight is affected by the force of gravity. So we will weigh different amounts on different planets.